Hi, this is Jason from Weekend RV Adventures, and this is part 2 of our trip to Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. If you didn't see part 1 yet, go ahead and check it out. We did some mini golf, visited the distilleries in Gatlinburg and tried some moonshine, and did the Cades Cove Scenic Drive and a couple other things. So go ahead and click the card up in this video and you can check that one out. Or if you already seen it, keep watching. We're going to head down to River Rat Tubing today and do some river tubing, and then we'll see what else happens the rest of this trip. Thanks for We made it here to River Rat just in time to get the $2 discount. If you arrive before 11 o'clock, you get $2 off your tubing for each person. So we're here, we're checked in, now we've got to go get our tubes and get going. You guys ready to go get your life jackets and your tubes?
Yeah.
All right.
But I still wish we didn't have to get life jackets.
All right, go get them. We're getting our life jackets, our tubes. They also have a key rack inside, so you don't have to worry about keeping your keys somewhere. They'll keep them for you. Smile! What'd you think of the rapids?
It was fun.
You want some bigger rapids now?
Yeah.
We're almost done with our trip down the river, but since the River Rat has an all-day pass, I think we're going to stop and get lunch at the snack shop and then take another trip down the river before we head back to the campground. Where are you taking me?
I don't know.
You don't know where you're taking me?
No. We're braces.
How do you like these chairs?
I like you. Can you build one at all? Can you build one and can you make these at our house?
After 2 trips down the river, we decided to call it quits and head back to the campsite to cook dinner over the campfire. We left and got down to River Rat around 11 o'clock today and got back to the campsite around 5. So that was 2 trips down the river and lunch, and it took about 6 hours. So now, after dinner, we're probably going to head over to the Ripley Old MacDonald mini golf course and play that second round of golf. Ready for round 2?
Yup. And then we can relax and play games at the arcade.
And what did you guys hit?
I got a squeaky unicorn. That wasn't a dog toy. A stuffed animal. It's a cutie cutie. It's like an egg with a stuffed animal in it. And I got this necklace. And it actually glows.
The red dot.
We're making faces with the red dot on. Why not?
No
Okay.
more. You forgot what day 4 was already.
Well, it's another late night for us. It's 11:30 again, and we're just finished with the day. We went down and did the river rat tubing. The river rat tubing's got a nice entrance to get into the river, and they've got a nice ramp and people there to help you get out of the river. And the lunch was good too. So after lunch, we made our second trip down the river. They've got a area that's designated for river rat, only for jumping off of some rocks into the river. And the kids love doing that. Sydney was a little afraid the first time, but after she did it once, she loved it. And you even got out there and jumped off once.
We all jumped. I jumped twice. Thank you very much.
Then we finally got to cook dinner back at camp tonight. That's the first campfire we've made since we've been here. And the first dinner we've made at the campsite since we've been here too. So it's good to at least get that in once. Then we went back to mini golf and played our free game. And we had 2 more holes in one. So now we have 2 tickets to go back again. We'll see if that happens or not. Lastly, we finally got a chance to eat our desserts from the old mill. And what do you think?
Even 3 days old, the blackberry cobbler was delicious.
So everything we ate at Old Mill restaurant was good, and
Even the stuff we took home.
yeah, even the desserts 3 days later. Well, I think we're gonna call it a night. So we'll see you again tomorrow.
Bye.